hello, shopping has been done.
Now we are going
back to home.
and then again we will go back to Goa.
Yes. So stay tuned for Goa journey. So now the Goa journey will start. So we now took exit from Virar and we are now entering into the highway. So if you can see this left side is going to Gujarat and Surat and right side is going to Navi Mumbai and Thane. So we will be taking that route now.
So we have changed the route to Goa. We have not taken the route of express highway of Lonavala because still
the same problem is happening while going like the express highway, that is Yashwantrao Chauhan express highway from Mumbai to Pune is again closed, and Google Map is also saying that it's closed. So we are taking now the village road, that is Chipru, and that side, from that side we are going now. So yes, so we reached on time.
guys, these are the big buildings of Thane.
Entering the Thane in peak times, like from 4 p.m. onwards to 8 p.m. like heavily traffic is loaded, and also in the morning during office timings like from 8 a.m. to I think 10 a.m. So if you encounter these peak times on your way, so you will find a much traffic. So this is the traffic which we have stuck in Thane right now.
Hello guys. So he's drinking a tea because his headache. He is getting headache. His doka is dukhin.
We need tea. Traffic in Thane Belapur road, which goes to Navi Mumbai. So as you can see here, entire red line is shown on the Google map. So that's what I am speaking about. Like whenever you travel from Thane, like it's very difficult to move out when you travel between 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we are now taking a fuel break. Actually it was not needed, but the thing is we don't want to wait afterwards for fuel refueling. So that's the reason we are going for a fuel break. 2500 petrol, 2500 petrol. refueled the tank of around 2500, which got almost 25 liters of fuel petrol inside it. I also took a bio break because I don't want to waste time in between. So since we have already waited here, I took it. So here we are going now. We have now taken a break for a dinner because we want to take a dinner at early and then we want to go continuously. So yeah, this is the village bar and restaurant somewhere in Panvel. So we are taking halt over here. So it seems they have also a garden sitting area. So we will go to this side. नमस्कार. पाँच. नहीं उधर बैठते हैं हम लोग. अजय बसे.
So here we are eating our roasted papads. These are the roasted papads they are eating. So they have served us first roasted papad with this chutney.
Guys, we can see the India match won. Cheers, Indians.
वेज इधर है,
वेज इधर है.
3 वेज है.
अरे दिस इज गावरण चिकन. दिस इज पनीर. दिस इज रोटी.
आपका की रोटी है.
Eat it and then we will move it. Okay? So let us eat. So just now we had our dinner. So it's almost 9 p.m. and we had left from Virar at 3:30 p.m. I think. So what we will do, we will drive continuously till home because Swarada is having tomorrow urgent client appointment, so she have to attend it. That's why we are in rush. So it's 9 p.m. and I'll try to make the vlogs if we halt in between for some minor breaks, and I will also update you what all things happen, what all things we do on the go. So yeah. The mom is asking for photos. Regarding the taste of the food, the veg was okay, but the non-veg we had tried Gavaran chicken, which is of the Gauti, like which is of the local chicken, so which was quite
Bitter in taste.
like
Not bitter in
not
taste,
bad,
please?
not good also. It was something in the middle. So
मसाला जल गया था उनका मसाला.
let it be whatever it is. Oh, she understands better what is okay, what jala, what nahi jala. Okay, so also the rates were very not pocket friendly of this. So yeah, if you want to try, but I will suggest. almost 11:51 p.m. So I have driven the car for almost 3 hours continuously after dinner. So I must say this road is actually good. Like from Mumbai, Panvel, Ratnagiri, Chiprur, this side is actually good because the road is awesome and you can see the villages and all. Like it's not like continuous road and only road. Oh, this thing, what you see, the highways, expressways, like that. So yeah, changing the route because of the blockages in the Lonavala has been turned into a very exciting journey for me right now. So yeah, everyone. So she just now woke up after sleeping, and this is a beautiful tunnel which we have entered right now. So in 148 kilometers we will be towards Ratnagiri. So the estimated time of arrival to our home location is almost 6 a.m. So yeah, so far so good journey. Now we are having some tea. Actually we have prepared a tea in the Virar and we had bought in the thermos. So it's now 12:50 and we have reached in Chiprun and we are having a tea because tea break was mandatory for me as I am driving continuously for almost 4 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, almost 9 hours I am driving. Yes, 9 hours including 1 hour dinner break. So 8 hours continuously I am driving. This Nanu is also having tea. In back side everyone is having tea. This is Srisha. Srisha, say hi.
Hi.
Actually we were looking for tea stalls, but here if you are traveling there is no much tea stalls located.
So better you carry your
So better you carry your tea, yes. Let's go after tea break.
Yes.
Chalo, let's go Chiprun. Bye bye Chiprun. It's actually 1:27 a.m. and we are switching the seats. I want her to drive the car because I am feeling little sleepy, so it's better not to take risk and give her driving. Are traveling from Mumbai to Goa. So the best route is enter into a Panvel highway, take that straight highway and come from Pain, Chiprun, Sangameshwar, Ratnagiri and then enter Banda and then Pernem. So this is the best and easiest way to come to Goa. The best route because here there are no tolls at all and also the area is very very village kind of things where you won't find any isolated things. Okay, so when you enter into the expressway it's like boring kind of thing. You only see the highway, expressway and you just drive it. But when you enter through these village roads you can actually see the scenes and also the best possible route is if you can try at least once this route. However, there are some patches in between, minor patches that can be neglectable, where the road is actually very slightly bad, but 95% road is good. So yeah, please try this. It's 7:12 a.m. We just entered a Goa border. So it's still 30 minutes away from the hometown. We took 2 breaks, small breaks in the between, so that's why it delayed in 1 hour. So actually we were supposed to be at 6. So yeah, still we are good.